Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell as we go right into it. We had a PPI came out this morning, and it was just like CPI. It showed that inflation was creeping up at its lowest level month over month compared back to COVID. So it was a real good indicator that inflation is slowing. All right, it is slowing. So the Fed has less reasons to raise interest rates, though we have some Fed members that are still sounding more hawkish than Fed Kevin Walsh. Okay. So let me show you a few things. This is why I'm coming on. I can't do this all of the time. I talk to my people in Money Moves first, and then when I get through with them, I come and make a video. But today, I wanted to get this one out before we go on live trade for the last hour. Wanted to show you guys some things that is going on right now. We could see what's going on here. SpaceX, of course, it's below its IPO level. All right, SpaceX is cooling off. I expect to start buying SpaceX somewhere around 100, maybe a little higher. I'm just going to look at the charts at that time. Okay. I do expect I will be buying some at about $90, right? Just because, you know, in the future, these type of stock that IPO real highly and overinflated, sometimes they come down. A lot of times, like 85 to 90% of the times, they come down at least 50%. But I'm not going to wait until it cuts to 50% on SpaceX. So I will let you guys know when I start to buy more SpaceX. So I'm going to take it week by week, day by day. I'm going to let some of the unlocked lock up period expire and let some of these shares dump onto the market before I start. How about you? Let me know. Okay. Oh yeah. And then we got the president is saying that they're going to bomb. All right. Now we know the Strait of Hormuz. Now, as it stands today, no one is going to charge a toll. The Iranians are not going to charge a toll. And the president said he's not going to charge a toll. Okay, so that's where it stands right now, but it's ramping up. Bomb. Okay, and so the war is on. Here we go, guys. Excuse me. The NASDAQ, as you can see, we had a sell-off this morning. Got a V-shaped recovery for the day on the NASDAQ. As this data came out, we had the president talking. I believe that the Fed was also talking. He was talking yesterday on the Hill, and he really didn't move the market. I thought there was no reason for the market to sell off, especially based on the positive PPI numbers. So what is selling off and where do I see opportunity? We see we had a V right here with Micron. You're going to start to hear a lot of a lot of bearish sentiment on days like today about, RAM, chips, AI, all of that. Just lump it all in. So Micron had a V-shaped recovery just like the NASDAQ did, almost lockstep. Okay. And so you could see that right now. Let's see if I can just add MU here and you'll see exactly what's going on as I have some more stock that I want to discuss, right? Of course, when you go to the day, you could see, if I go out, you could see it's right here. You could see that, right? You can see that. So now, as we go back to ticker symbol MU, we could see that for the week, we're down 10% for the week. So what are you saying, Larry? I'm saying that you could do a little nibbling. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm saying for the long term, you can do a little nibbling. I still expect we will have some pullbacks this summer. Okay. So why are you buying? I'm just nibbling because it's down by 10% for the week. That's all. That's it. Just nibble small. Poet. And you know it. Can you nibble here? Yeah, you can nibble here. That is a nibble zone here, okay? Poet is in a nibble zone. It bottomed out here at 817, though I do believe that Poet will come back down below 8. I did not buy any today because I bought some the other day, and I bought a lot under $8. And $8 and above, or around $8. Let's just say around $8 is where I'm buying Poet. P-O-E-T. Remember, low cap stock, low cap money. Big cap stock, big cap money. You put bigger money into bigger caps, smaller money into smaller caps to get your risk level under control. Now, the stock that I keep saying that I'm not going to talk about, ticker symbol SOXL. We bought some. Before we do this, I'm going to come back to This is DRAM, all right? We'll get to ticker symbol SOXL. This is DRAM. Sorry, guys. It's down 6%, but it was down more than that earlier today. And here's where we bought it. It was down 8%, all right? And 8.5%. That's where we bought it in Money Moves. I alert the community, all right? That's the top link below. But you can see it's down 11.75 for the week. So we bought a little more of this. Now, DRAM, ticker symbol DRAM, is a longer term investment for me. So I don't care about the little daily pullbacks, okay? So now, one of the things that is surprising to me is ticker symbol ASML, to which I am not buying it, but it is moving the market in the chip space, okay? So you could see here, it actually sold off. It was negative, and I believe that kind of spooked the market a little bit as far as chips go. And it came down. It made no sense. It was down by 3.5% today. Now it has gained almost 0.75%. It's an expensive stock. I don't have it, but I will, okay? Yes, I have some in my long-term portfolio, but I didn't buy any today is what I'm saying. So here's what happened, all right? ASML Holdings published its Q2 26 financial results on July 15, 2026, delivering a beat and raise report that comfortably exceeded analyst expectations. So they exceeded analyst expectations, driven by a surge in artificial intelligence, AI, spending and advanced chip production. The company reported a substantial financial beat and raised its full-year 2026 sales guidance for the second time this year. That sounds pretty bullish to me. So with all of that going on with ASML, you tell me, why did it sell off? You tell me, why did it sell off? It didn't make any sense, okay? So when it sold off, ticker symbol ASML, that's when I started looking at ticker symbol SOXL, which is triple leverage. Remember, this is just a swing trade. Now it came down just like it did here, right? But now I want to show you guys it came down, but it's starting to rebound. And the traffic trader on the 5-minute led you to it. Okay, so let's take this off. Okay, and let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys why I bought. Okay, so on the 15-minute, I actually just went back. I'm going to just show you guys what I did. I literally just went back. Let's go to the 4-hour. I just went back to a point here where we had remember the last time I showed you guys this, we were at 150.79. I tightened that up a little bit, and it is 150.19, and that's where it came down today, okay? If it breaks beneath 150, I'm going to be out of, well, I will be scared, and I would probably be looking for an exit. But as it hit 150, we started buying in this range. We started, when I say we, Money Moves, we start buying under 160. So we start buying under 160, and then I made a big buy here. And then when it came down here, I made another big buy. This is ticker symbol SOXL, right? Now, this is not an option play. This is just a buy and a hold, and I bought a big chunk of it. So I bought this in multiple portfolios, guys. I'm sorry for the hiccups. I bought this in multiple portfolios. I have another one that this is just a swing trade. Some of them I buy on days like this, and when it run up, I sell it. And then some of them I hold. Remember, it is a 3-time leverage play. So 3 times on the way up, 3 times on the way down. Why did I go in so heavy? Because of the CPI and the PPI. Because the Fed has no reason to raise interest rates. As a matter of fact, they could be from neutral, or by the end of the year, he could start to decrease interest rates. And I believe that the geopolitical situation, you know, the taco trade, we're going to bomb. Any downward pressure that brings, I believe that we could actually rebound. So it's dangerous, I know, but I took the trade anyway. If you want to join us and get these alerts really fast in real time, then select the top link below, hit more on your device, and then go to the description and join us in Money Moves. All right. Just wanted to get this up, get right to it, and we'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Now I'll be live trading in Money Moves.